How to completely log out of Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can completely log out of Twitter, formerly Twitter, now currently known as the X app. Now here when we launch the X or the former Twitter application, you will see this type of interface. Now to log out, tap the profile icon located from the top left of the screen. Then when we've done that, from the bottom under settings and support, just tap on it. Then go to this option that says settings and privacy. Then when we come to settings and privacy, from the top you can see the option that says your account, sorry. So tap the your account button. Then again you'll find the option that says account information. So tap on account information. From here you can see the option that says logout. So tap the logout button. It will ask you if it's going to remove all the data. So we're just going to tap the logout button, and just like that you can see we've been successfully logged out of the former Twitter application. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.